So if you're just like me and you got a brand new 2024 Mazda 3, you're probably really disappointed when you realize when you open up this center console, you don't actually have any 12 volt. Instead, what they did is they put a little cap like this right here. And they said, all right, let's call it a day. Well, if you're a normal person, you're probably pretty disappointed about that because you want to actually charge your stuff. And if you have tried charging with these shitty USB type 2, I believe, version 2 or whatever, it's so fucking slow that it takes ages to charge a phone up. So what I did is I installed this, which tells you the voltmeter power of your battery. So right now my voltage is 12.4. Oh, it went up. That's kind of odd. But anyways, this has a power delivery of 45 watts. Anyways, it works. I can plug my phone in and stuff. So I haven't really sealed it yet. I literally just did this install about 20-30 minutes ago. So you can actually see I got the power cable and the ground cable. So what I did is I took a coat hanger, just a metal coat hanger, and I fished it all the way through down to this little panel here that you can pull. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there you go. So this thing, you just have to pull it enough so your finger can fit underneath, and then you feed the fish hook through, or a coat hanger, and until you grab that little red wire for power. And with that red power wire, you bring it all the way down, all the way across, just to where my foot is, and you'll see this little fuse panel here. So when you take this out, sorry, I don't regularly make videos, so I'm not very good at this, but hopefully you can see there is a fuse tap. So I tapped into, hold on, let me just put this back. Oh boy, this is pretty difficult to get back in. Okay, you know what, I'll do it later. Anyways, so I guess the only thing left to say is I tapped into the Illumination fuse. It's a 15 amp fuse slot, and I put in a 5 amp fuse to tap into because this is 45 watts. And if you go on ChatGPT or your favorite AI buddy, you can just ask him, hey, I have a 45 watt power delivery. What fuse should I put down? For me, it's set around 3.7. I put a 5. It should be okay. Yeah. As for the ground, right under the seat, there's these bolts. On the passenger seat, you're not going to see them. Not bolts, sorry, they're just regular Phillips screws. Like I said, on the passenger, there isn't any, but on the driver's seat, there was. I'm really too lazy to get up right now. But trust me, if you look right under your seat, you will see them. I don't know if you can from this angle, but if you don't, that's okay. You can figure that out in your own time. But yeah, everything works perfectly. It has constant power though, which I'm not too happy about. I couldn't find any that had accessory power. So right now my solution is I bought this off Amazon, and it actually has a power button. So I have to remember to turn it off. But once this is turned off, it will not drain your battery. You are pretty good to go. All right, well, that's about it. I'm not a YouTuber, so I guess I'll just say bye. Bye.